Got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thought.
Okay guys, welcome back to Bokaste YouTube channel. As you say, it has been a while that we posted a new video here. The reason was that we were busy cooking nice and legit ways of making money online for you, just like this video. On this video today, we are going to look on how to make money online using Telegram. And by using Telegram, a funny way of making money online just by making people to laugh. Okay, it is just a few step-by-step method of doing this to get it done for you, and by the end of the day, I'm assuring you, you can have more than $100, $200, $300, more than $10,000 just by doing this. So let's start the step by step. If you want to please make sure you subscribe to the channel first before we start the video. As you can see, we post videos which are legit confirmed. Let's start the video. Step number 1. Go to your Google Play Store. Let's say store, search for Telegram. As I already searched for it, here is Telegram. So you download it, create an account on Telegram, or log into your account if you already have some. And if you don't know how to create an account on Telegram, after you download the app, just log into just open the app, and you see a step-by-step of making it done for you. So after you have a Telegram account, what the step 2 is, go for a meme app, because we are going to be creating memes. That is maybe a funny stickers, funny gifts to make people laugh. So let's search for meme creator, meme maker, or meme creator. So you search for that. There are plenty apps on Google Play Store which can help you create your meme. So there are plenty, as you can see. So for me, I prefer going by this. As you can see, I've already have the meme app. So after you download it, let's see how you create a meme based on beggars, or maybe something that we can make someone feel good for the day. Then at the end, the person will reward you for your efforts. Okay, I've finished. Let's assume I've finished downloading my meme app. This is my meme app, which helped me to create meme. Maybe you see there are plenty memes templates here that you can choose to make your meme. So now we are finished downloading, creating an account for Telegram, and we are finished downloading meme app. What do you now supposed to do? We have to find this particular group on Telegram to join. So I'll leave the link under the description. Then you go there and join the Telegram group. It calls Beggars Group.
Hello comrades, here we are beggars. Here we beg for the beggars. Mother Russia thanks you, comrades.
Ooh, okay, you have now finished joining the beg. As you can see, the group name is Beggars Talking. So we are all there. Currently we are 159 people over there. They are there making funny stickers and all over, and they are getting rewards out of that. As you can see, you see, so oh, look at this person's comment. Oh, it is time to beg beggars. So mine. So, and he give him 40,000 beggars. after this video I'll create another video to give you an estimate on that. When you have 40,000 baggers, how much will it cost? So see, Blake 2 also they tip this guy tip him 40,000 baggers. This one too, you see people are making, you see that means they are taking beggars. That's the beggars sign. They are taking beggars as their food like that. We have beggars, those who are in the group, they are beggars, and the coin that they reward is also called a beggars. So there's a beggars. When the difference between them is the sign. So you see here this gift, you see the beggars, and there is dollar sign attached to it. That's the sign for beggars coin. So they will reward you with the beggars coin, then you will now go and withdraw that as dollars, or you can convert it to any cryptocurrency that you are, Bitcoin, Litecoin, any Dash coin, any coin that you wish, then you can convert it to that and pull out your dollars. Okay, we have finished creating our account or logging into our account, joining the group, and making, so we have to now make we have finished making our meme, because we have our meme filter. So we have to now go and post our meme to see how we'll be tipped. We call it tipping. When you post a meme on that, they tip you for that. The tipping means they are giving you that. So you see, Jeffrey tip this guy, so about 20,000 beggars. So you see it. So let me also try my best to post a meme. So I've already created my meme. This is what I created. I haven't posted it. Let me post it over there. You see my meme? Hey, is that how making YouTube videos difficult? In fact, I need more beggars to continue. Let's see how they will react on this. Okay, let us wait for the magic to see. But it's like most of them are not online yet. They will react on that later. Some may reward me on that. So you see, that's a meme. Is that how making YouTube videos difficult? In fact, I need more beggars to continue. That means directly I'm begging for beggars to can like that, and I'm begging it in a funny way. So people will react on it after that. By this time around, most of them are offline. You see, we are only 2 online currently, so they will act on that later. So how do you know that, maybe, or how do you check your balance after they tip you, after you have this beggars? What are you going to do with it? That will come on our next video. But let's see how we are going to check, how do we check our balance on this beggars account. So let's see. You see this blocks boot, that's what we use to check our balance, and it's a coding way of checking it. So let's go and see. You just tap on the block boot, and it will ask you to, you just tap on it. It will send you to this page. So you just tap on the chat button. You see, I've already chatted with it. So to check your account, you just do /balance then you send to it. You see, it will give you what you have currently on your Telegram account for beggars. So you see, it is 28 million beggars that I have on my account currently. So that is that. So we check on that. Then how we now withdraw it. So you see, it's like people are acting on my sticker. Okay, they posted some. Oh yeah, somebody just joined and they are telling him the rules and regulation of the Telegram group. So now people are searching for maybe how to make money online, how to make money online in Ghana, how to make money online in America, how to make money. This is how to make money online worldwide, or how to gain cryptocurrency for free. Follow us for more videos. Our next video will be on how to withdraw these beggars for cash. So let us subscribe to the channel and then wait for the magic. And this time around we are having giveaways for our subscribers and all that stuff. So if you want to get this giveaway, there is a link to that on under the description. Then you follow that and have it. It is a form that you just to have fill it and choose the method of payment that you want to receive it and receive that your gift, and then we'll do our random sampling selection, and the selected one will be the winner. When you win, we'll contact you and send what we are having to give to you. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, follow the instructions for the form to giveaway, then you can have your giveaway very safely and legit. Thank you for watching us.